While many people think of Dubai as an economy mainly based on diamonds, gold, and more recently luxury real estate and tourism, growth in other sectors is helping to keep Dubai in a top economic spot. Dubai's financial market index saw a growth rate of 12.1% in 2015 to 2016 and rose from 3,151 points in 2015 up to 3,530.88 points in 2016. What does this mean for entrepreneurs who have average to lower amounts of capital to invest in a business, or even those with steady jobs who want to make passive income on the side? It's a positive outlook, as a strong economy naturally has more people able to spend on all sorts of products and business concepts. Even better, with a global economy that opens up more every year, there are some perks to making passive income in Dubai. Here are top 5 ways to make passive income in Dubai. 5. Real estate for rental income. Investing in real estate is best option. Even if you are on a small budget, real estate can be excellent as both rental housing and rental vacation spots for international travelers through sites like Airbnb and HomeAway. Falling prices in property values make this ideal as it has pushed up rental profits in the United Arab Emirates. Rental property in Dubai is a great way to make a lot of passive income if you buy low and can rent for high prices. Number 4. YouTube is gold. Try opening a YouTube channel. If you have a particular topic you enjoy exploring or know a lot about and enjoy being in front of the camera, YouTube could be terrific for you. Even some of the most frivolous channels, such as makeup application and recording video gameplay, bring in massive amounts of money for YouTubers. You need to be consistent with a YouTube channel, as with any blog or business, but if you have decent enough content and gather followers, it can be a fun way to make a passive income. Number 3. Write that book. Write a book, and you could collect royalties from all over the world. The great thing about the burst of the ebooks market is that not only can you publish your books and do so quickly, but the international market insanely beneficial. With traditional publishers, books are often initially released in one country before foreign markets. However, if you self-publish an ebook, it can be available worldwide within hours. Whether you can write non-fiction or fiction, there are millions of avid readers out there who are voracious consumers of ebooks. Number 2. Teach online. Create an online course if you're an expert in a particular area. Your class doesn't have to be something technical or even a topic that requires several degrees. If you know how to teach fitness tips like a pro, or can show people how to save money, keep their families healthier, or cook unique recipes and teach others how to do so, there is money to be made in online courses. Sites like Udemy offer a platform for you to show others without leaving your home, and that allow for preloaded videos to act as your lectures. Number 1. Rent-a-car business. Rent-a-car business is very demanding in UAE. UAE car rental market is quite filled up, with hundreds of small and big companies are operating in UAE in this business. Competition is high, but the ROI is very good if you're able to grab some business. Almost all big international companies like Hertz, Sixt, Avis etc. are providing their services in UAE. In 2014, car rental companies generated more than $238 millions. More than $200 millions were earned by small and medium-sized companies.